Consider the following, including the question and the statement. There are 5 members A, B, C, D and E in a family. So the question is, what is the relationship of E to B? How E and B are related? Now there are 4 statements given. Now the question is, how many statements are required? Actually, the option A says that 1, 2 and 3 are required to answer the question. So 1, 3 and 4. So that is the question. So here I will tell you again one trick I will tell you. So you need the relationship between E and B, right? Okay, you need the relationship between E and B. Now if you look into the statement 1, it talks about A and B, some relationship between A and B. And statement 3 talks about E and D. Okay, E is here. In statement 3 E is given and in statement 1 B is given. So anyway statement 1 and 3 will be required to find out the relationship between E and B. So we need to connect E to B. So here B is there, here E is there. Now here in statement 3 E is connected to D. Okay, so now we need to connect D to B, right? So using statement 2 we can connect D to C, and using statement 4 we can connect A to C, and using statement 1 we can connect A to B. So from just analyzing the statement we can say that all statements will be required. You got it? So actually the it was C, all 4 statements are required to answer the question. How I got it? Just by logic I have got it. I haven't done anything, right? We need to check what is the relationship of E to B. So here first from statement 3 I can connect E to D, then from statement 2 I can connect D to C, then from statement 4 I can connect C to A, then from statement 1 I can connect A to B. So in this way I can connect. So E and B are connected by using all the 4 statements. So all 4 statements will be required. So for checking, just try to solve this one. So it says that A and B are married couple. So A and B are couples. D is the father of C, but we don't know that. Now here statement 4 says A and C are sisters. So A and C are sisters. So C is female and A is female. So this will be male. Now here it says that D is the father of C. So D is the father of C. So D is male. Now E is D's son. Statement 3 says that E is D's son. So E will be D's son. So this is male. So now we can connect E to B. So all the statements are required. Okay.